Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Valorant Error Code 29. It's easy. First click here and now type here graphics settings and after that make sure to turn on this option, and after that, as you see here, you will need to restart your PC. And but before you start your PC, type here services, scroll down until you find here VGC, right click on it, properties, and then make it automatic, and then apply and OK. After that, click restart or start if you find it, and that's it. Now restart your PC and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.